changes around us. Learning about changes around us and studying about changes that can be reversed and cannot be reversed. As we look at our surroundings, we see a large variety of things with different shapes, sizes, and textures. Since early times, human beings have been trying to understand their surroundings and changes around them. What fun if you suddenly get some magical powers to change anything around you? We do not have magical powers, of course, but we can still change a few things around us, perhaps many things. Many changes are taking place around us on their own. In the fields, the crops change from time to time. Sometimes, leaves fall from trees, change color, and dry out. The flowers bloom and then wither away. Are any changes happening in your body? Your nails grow. Your hair grows. You grow taller and your weight increases as you grow. Did you realize earlier that so many changes are taking place around you all the time? Can some of the changes be grouped together? We can group various changes if we find some similarities between them. Can all changes always be reversed? Let us study them through some activities. Activity. Take a balloon and blow it. Take care that it does not burst. The shape and size of the balloon have changed. Now, let the air escape the balloon. In this activity, it was possible to get the balloon back to its original shape and size. It means that the changes occurring in these activities can be reversed. Now let us repeat the same activities with a difference. Activity. Take the same balloon which you used in the above activity. Blow it to its full size and tie its mouth with a string tightly. Prick it with the pointed tip of your pencil. Oops! It burst. We see that the changes which have occurred in this activity cannot be reversed. Activity. Take a piece of paper and fold it like a toy airplane. You have changed the sheet of paper into a toy airplane. You may have lots of fun in flying this plane. Once you are tired of it, unfold the paper again. Once you unfold the toy airplane, you get the shape of the paper bag. It means that the changes occurring in this activity can be reversed. Now, let us repeat the same activity with a little difference. Activity. Take the same piece of paper which you used in the above activity. Draw an airplane on it and cut along its outline. Now, if we want to get back the original paper, it won't be possible. We see that the changes which have occurred in this activity cannot be reversed. Now we will see some examples which can be reversed. Woolen yarn to knitted sweater can be reversed. Stretched rubber band can be reversed to its normal size. Solid ice cream can be reversed back to molten ice cream. Now we will see some examples which cannot be reversed. Raw egg to boiled egg cannot be reversed. Grain to its flour cannot be reversed. Food grain like rice once cooked cannot be reversed. Could there be other ways to bring a change? Now we will study some other ways to bring some changes. We all have seen the tools which are used to dig the soil. Look at the tools. How the iron blade in these tools is fixed to the wooden handle. The iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally, the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size, expands. Now, the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. Such a change is also used for fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart. Again, the metal rim is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. On heating, the rim expands and fits onto the wheel. Cold water is then poured over the rim, which contracts and fits tightly onto the wheel. When we heat water in a beaker, it begins to boil after some time. If we continue to heat further, the quantity of water in beaker begins to decrease. The water changes into its vapor. Water vapor gets changed into liquid water when it is cooled. We all have noticed melting of ice. Ice melts when it is heated. If it is frozen, it changes to ice again. Let us observe some more changes. Activity. Take a small candle and measure its length with a scale. Now, fix it at a suitable place and light it. Let it burn for some time. Now blow out the candle and measure its length again. Can the change in the length of the candle be reversed? No. The change in the length of the candle cannot be reversed. If we were to take some wax in a pan and heat it, can this change be reversed? Yes, the change can be reversed. What about the changes that occur when two substances are mixed together? When we dissolve salt in water, the change which occurs in salt or in water can be reversed by the method of evaporation. It is possible to reverse this change. Have you ever seen curd being set? A small quantity of curd is added to warm milk. The milk is stirred and is set aside for few hours at a warm place. In a few hours, the milk changes into curd. This change cannot be reversed. We find that a few ways to bring about a change in the substance could be by heating it or by mixing it with some other substance. Summary. Some changes can be reversed and some cannot be reversed. A change may occur by heating a substance or by mixing it with some other. That is all in this lesson, students. Keep learning.